Hello. I'm glad you could join me today. This painting will be a lot of fun, and I think you'll enjoy it. I'm gonna have them graphically run all the colors that we'll use today across the screen as we use them. Let's get started and do a fantastic painting together. We'll get beautiful, beautiful paint color here. That's unbelievable how that just happens. See, all these little things just happen automatically. Don't you worry about it. You just sort of evaluate it as it goes along and just let it happen. Very gently, very gently. Here, I'm touching a little bit of white, and I'm just gonna make a couple spots. We've got a beautiful, beautiful little sky. It's that easy. Don't worry about it. There we go. There we go. We'd like to wish you a happy painting.